First one's here. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's John here with another day off video. I hope you're enjoying your day off as much as I am. Right now, you probably saw in the title, getting an oil change today. We've done a lot on this channel. We've gone to restaurants, stores. We've even taken a few trips to Florida, but today is a pretty basic day off. Figured you can hang out with me here at the Honda shop. First things first, I gotta eat my breakfast, but gosh, they freaking slapped the honey butter on this thing a little too much. Ugh. That's overkill. Like I seriously just had to take 3 napkins to dab that hot honey butter sauce, whatever. But I guess gas station, so you know. Get what you pay for. One of the staff members came out, said hello, made a cup of coffee, which you saw, it's not my coffee, and then retreated to somewhere else. Now the coffee's just sitting there. And do I drink it? And now to wash my hands after that sticky sandwich. It was mildly tasty, but very sticky. Like seriously, I had to take napkins and dab it. Just dab it off all that honey and whatever that spicy hot honey mixture was, butter. I don't know. Try not to think about it when I get your food from a gas station. Anyway, let's check this place out. So the first things first, you drive your car through the service center. Brought the old Honda through. Other people got their Hondas. Boom. This loud TV in here. CBS News with a remote, so I guess you could change it. See what's going on here. And some offices. Customers. Oh, yeah, due to OSHA regulations. There you go. But I can peek in here. Do all your work. More offices. It's like a little parts counter, oil, service center, all right here in the shop. It's pretty cool. What the heck's this? Oh, Honda EV charging station. Here you go. Cars of the future. Watch out, Tesla. Wireless internet access. There you go. I can set up my own little mobile office right here and have some candy while I wait. Already had that sandwich, so I'm good, but hey, I need some drinks and stuff. It's on. Jelly swirls, no thanks. Pretty standard day off here for you guys this morning. Getting the oil changed on a crisp cool day. Hoodie weather is back. I'm excited about it. I love fall. What's your guys' favorite season out there? Drop a comment. Tell me what you like. Hopefully you're not one of those dreaded winter people. I know a few of them. I think this is really cool. They got a kids corner. So you bring the little ones in, which I don't have, but if you do, keeps them busy. Got all sorts of cars, whatever that girl is. Got some books for them to read. Pretty neat. if you ever have to bring the kids, at least you can occupy them, which is pretty neat. Like the showroom floor area. Pretty quiet in here at the moment. So the sign says that the dealership doesn't open until 9 a.m. Right now it's just about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's pretty cool to be in here when it's quiet. Pretty neat. See all the stuff. I love when they bring in a car on the showroom floor and they have it indoors like this. I don't know. I think it's cool. We got the window down so we can even peek in. Not sponsored, but if Honda wants to sponsor my videos, more than welcome, that's for sure. Really cool. All-wheel drive. Heck yeah. Got another Honda over there. Let's go check it out in white. We got our Honda a few years back, and I like them. They're roomy. Boy, I like this guy too. Man, this one's large, but they're roomy. You can store a ton of stuff. And yeah, this one here, I don't know what we're dealing with, but let's go take a look at the back because me likey. Okay, Honda Pilot. I wonder if this trunk opens. I probably shouldn't do that. Oh shit. Holy crap. Wow. That is roomy. You could store tons of stuff in here. You could probably even sleep back here if you really needed to. Car camping video, anyone? Wow. I probably shouldn't have done that though. I don't want to get in trouble. That is nice though. Oh, I'm definitely going to be looking at that for the future. Got some offices up here. Nobody here at the moment except for the service team, which is great. I love getting the early appointments. I was the first one here, I guess, technically, but some folks had left their car overnight, so first to arrive today. Hopefully my car gets the, jump of the line a little bit, but probably not. Some might be hanging out for a while. Check out these bikes. I've been, looking at bikes lately, not for myself, but I've got a lot of friends who are into motorcycles lately, and I don't see myself ever being willing to get on one, especially on the highway. But if you're a motorcycle enthusiast or Honda's good, drop a comment, let me know. They left their hat here. What's their hat say? Okay, whiskey. I don't know. Hope you're out there enjoying your day, and I appreciate you guys coming along with me here on my day off. Definitely helps me with you guys coming and checking it out. Helps me grow the channel. So if you are here and you're new, I've noticed we have a tight group of people who come back, but we also have a lot of people who are unsubscribed to the channel. Think about it and give that button a push. A little subscribe helps grow the channel, helps provide more content, things like that. President's Award. That's dope. That's really cool. Like the emblem. It makes me think of this episode of The Simpsons. I don't know if you guys are big Simpsons fanatics like I am. I know my buddy Adam, we get along. He's a Simpsons guy. Where Superintendent Chalmers has a Honda, drives to the school, and then someone steals the H. He's like, oh, the H. That's how you know it's a Honda. I love the color on that one. Now I thought about sneaking upstairs and walking around. Didn't know if that would be something to get me in some trouble, but I saw there was somebody up there like taking phone calls or working or something, so definitely not trying to get myself in trouble. But I'm in here by myself, and so boredom's starting to kick in. So I could take the stairwell. I guess it takes me right back outside too. Upstairs. Or the elevator. Oh, it's actually open right there. Nice. Figured it'd be upstairs. Most of you are going to think I'm an immature child by that. And you wouldn't be wrong. Well guys, the car is done. I'm going to go hop in it and head home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're enjoying what you see, day off content, because this is my days off and this is what I do, all sorts of things. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and we will catch you on the next one.